Good morning, children. A very good morning to you all. So after your test, now we are moving to third chapter from your maths textbook. What is the name? Playing with numbers. Third chapter, playing with numbers. In this chapter, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about divisibility rules, factors, and then multiples. So now today we shall see about divisibility rules. What do you mean by divisibility? When do you say that a number is divisible by another number? Yeah, if you divide a number with another number and the remainder is going to be 0. And the remainder is going to be 0. Whatever remaining thing, it is 0. Remainder is 0. Then we say that number is divisible by the other number. Okay? Right, example. Let me say, suppose 6 is there. Is 6 divisible by 2? Yes, I do the short division method, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 is the answer. So remainder here is 0, no remainder. Okay, the quotient here is 3. If I do it in the long division method, it is 6, 2, 2 threes are 6, 0 remainder. Remainder is 0. So therefore, thus what is meant by divisibility? A number is said to be divisible by another number if the remainder after the division is 0. Then that is divisible. Right. Now divisibility by 2. Instead of going by long division method or short division method, we have some rules. Very easy rules to understand whether a given number is divisible by the other number or not. So now divisibility by 2. If any number is given, whether that number is divisible by 2 or not is the one which is going to frame the rule here. The rule here is that all even numbers are divisible. All even numbers are divisible. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Examples? What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. 36, so on, 98, so on, 200. That means, what are even numbers? The numbers where in units place, either you have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. These numbers are divisible by 2. What are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers in whose units place you may find a 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. So such numbers are called even numbers. And what is the divisibility rule of 2 says? Right? 2 can divide all even numbers. All even numbers are divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. This is the divisibility rule of 2. Now divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. The rule says, right, it is divisible by 3 only when sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Only when sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Suppose I have a number 325. Which number I am taking? 325. What are the digits? 5, 2, 3. You have 3 digits. Find the sum of the digits. Right, sum. S-U-M means adding the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 5. 3 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 fours are 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So thus 325 is divisible by 3. If you want, you can check. Check this one. 325. By long division method, 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. We have this to be 0. Descend these two digits. So now 2, it is not divisible. So put a 0 here. Descend 5 here. Is 325 divisible? No, I'm sorry. Sorry. This is 10. 10. So therefore, now if you say 3 8s are 24. What is the remainder here? 1. 1 is the remainder. So therefore, what is happening? 325 is not divisible by 3. Why? Because the sum. What is the sum you are getting? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So this 10 is not divisible. 10 does not come in 3 table, is it not? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 10 does not come under 3 table. Hence, this number 325 is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. So what is the rule? The rule is you have to find sum of the digits. Means whichever number which is given to you, you have to add the digits first. Whatever the result you are getting now, that should be divisible by 3. Let us take one more example. 390. 390. So let us find out the sum now. The sum is equal to 3 plus 9 plus 0. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes, absolutely. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Very good. So, 12 is divisible by 3. Thus, 390 is divisible by 3. Thus, 390 is divisible by 3. Let us check it here. 390 by long division method. 3. 3 ones are 3. Subtraction 0. Descend 9 here. 9 here. 3 threes are 9. Minus 0. Descend 0 here. 0 here. So 0. So 130 is the quotient. The remainder here is 0. What is the remainder here? 0. So thus, what is the divisibility by 3? Divisibility by 3 says that only when sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then only the whole number is divisible by 3. The complete number is divisible by 3. Is that clear? Okay. Let us move on to divisibility by 6. Let us move on to divisibility by 6. So what is this one? Here the rule is it should be divisible by. The given number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. That means a number is divisible by 6 only when these two rules are satisfied. These two rules are satisfied. What are the two rules? First one is number should be even number. Number should be even number. Second one is must be divisible by 3. Must be divisible by 3. When these two conditions are satisfied, then only the given number is divisible by 6. The given number is divisible by 6. So let us take an example. Okay. 396. 396. Let us see whether is this an even number? Yes. Why? Because in units place you have 6. In units place you have 6. Therefore it is an even number. Even number. Therefore divisible by 2. Therefore divisible by 2. Now check the second rule. What is the second rule? It should be divisible by 3 also. What is the divisibility rule of 3? So you add the digits. 3 plus 9 plus 6. So 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 6 are 18. So this is divisible by 3. So therefore divisible by 3. Thus this number is divisible by 306. Therefore 396 is divisible by 6. So this is how you have to write in your notebook. If it is 395, neither it is an even number nor it is divisible by 3. So therefore it is not divisible by 6. Okay, so suppose if it is 394. 394, it is even number, divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. This is how you have to write in your notes. Okay. So, this is about divisibility rule of by 2. By 2 means all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisibility rule by 3 means sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, you should write sir, divisibility, it is not divisible by 3. And the divisibility rule by 6, that means it should be, the given number should be divisible by both, by 2 as well as both. Both conditions should be satisfied. If one condition is satisfied, it is not divisible by 6. So, it should be divisible by 2 and also it should be divisible by 3. When only these two conditions are satisfied, then only we say that it is divisible by 6. Clear? We took also an example here. Right. Next, divisibility by 5. Very easy rule. What is the rule here? In units place, the number should have either 0 or 5. The number should have either 0 or 5 in units place. What are the examples? 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. See, in units place you have always 5 or 0. Okay. So 5 or 0. That condition is satisfied, then the number is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 9. What is the other one you have here? Divisibility by 9. It is similar to divisibility by 3. It is similar to divisibility by 3. That means sum of the digits should be equal to, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. So let me take it to be like 189. I want to take the number to be 189. So, sum of the digits, 1 plus 8 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes. 9 2s are 18. So, therefore, 189 is divisible by 9. Here, you should not use your long division method. It is only for verification we are doing. Let us verify it here. Let us verify the long division here. So, 9, 189. So, now here, this first digit is less than the 9. So, therefore, we are going to consider both the digits. 18. So, 9 2s are 18. Minus, it is 0. Descend 9 here. 9 1s are 9. 9, 0. 0 is the remainder. Please, children, remember, this I am doing only to verify. But whenever we are asked, you are asked to find out whether the given number is divisible by 9 or not. Under this chapter, you should verify like this. You have to add the digits. See the number. This number is divisible by 9. Therefore, 189 is divisible by 9. That is how you have to write. So, what is the rule? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Should be divisible by 9. So, this is the divisibility rule of by 9. This one and this one are same. See, this is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. We also verified it. Okay. Next, divisibility by 10. Very easy. Whenever you have 0 in one's place. 0 in one's place, right? So, therefore, that is 10, 20, 30, 1000, 2480, etc. What is the rule? That in one's place, you should have 0. Then it is divisible by 10. As well as, it will satisfy both the conditions. All those which are like with this are divisible by 5 also. And also divisible by 2. So, therefore, whenever it is divisible by 10 means it is divisible by 2. By 2 and also divisible by 5. and also divisible by 5. Let us take an example. Okay, 30. Is it an even number? Yes, even number. Hence divisible by 2. Is it having in units place 5 or 0? Yes, it is having 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Thus, it is divisible by 10. Thus, it is divisible by 10. Okay. So, these are the divisibility rules. So, which divisibility rules we have seen? Divisibility by 2. That is even numbers. Divisibility by 3. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Divisibility by 6. Both divisibility by 2 and 3 must be satisfied. Divisibility by 5. Units place 0 or 5 should be there. Divisibility by 9. Similar to divisibility by 3. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. Yes, here 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 189 is divisible by 9. Right. So, now divisibility by 10. In units place, you should have 0. And then thus 10, 20, 30. These are the examples. Also, whenever it is divisible by 10, it is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 5. So, these are the divisibility rules. I'll post you the first exercise problems. You have to solve them and post your solutions to me. Okay, right children? Very easy. Don't do long division method. It's only for verification. We are only verifying whether it is true or not. Okay, you have to verify like this only. Clear children? Okay, see you again in the next class. Please copy this.